Hello everyone and welcome to Senior Advice YouTube channel. This is the second episode of Promax Gold EA weekly result. As always, without any hesitation, we're gonna go through our Myfxbook and our VPS to check on Promax trades and results for the past week. Promax has 3 proven presets and I'm about to show you each one by one. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video and follow our social medias. Let's get started.
This is our Myfxbook account of Promax Gold EA preset number 1 on a $1,000 real and verified account. Since it has started trading, it has gained 8.03% overall with a drawdown of 0.02%. When you scroll down, you reach this section which shows you different durations results. For the past week, Promax has gained 0.23% profit. Going further down, and profitability section says it has a 92% win rate. This is our VPS of Promax Gold EA preset number 1 and it should look the same on your MT4 account also. All the account details and your robot settings are written in this window. There is not much trade in the trade section since this account is new and the preset has lower risk settings comparing to other presets. The total profit for the past week is $3.84. This is our Myfxbook account of Promax Gold EA preset number 2 on a 100K real and verified account. Totally, Promax has gained 87.61% profit. The monthly gain is 4.86% with a drawdown of 36.35%. Scrolling down, and you can see for the past week we had 3.15% and for this month we had 11.05% profit. Next section says Promax preset number 2 has an accuracy of 77%. Totally, it has traded 1,291.79 lots with an average win of 238.08 pips. Let's scroll down, and right below it we have monthly analytics, and it says for May we had 11.05% profit. This is our VPS of Promax Gold EA preset number 2 and you can observe and monitor your trades on your MT4 account like this. The appearance of Promax on your account is the same like preset number 1, only the numbers are different. We have set the duration for the past week and Promax on this preset has gained $5,419.69 totally. This is our Myfxbook account of Promax Gold EA preset number 3 on a $1,000 real and verified account. We have run this EA on this account at the beginning of this year. Since January, it has gained over 50% profit. The monthly gain is 10.82% and the drawdown is 13.32%. Scrolling down, and you can see for today Promax has gained 1.32% and also for the past week is 2.33% profit. Below that, profitability section says Promax preset number 3 won 178 out of 237 trades, which represents 75% of accuracy. This is our VPS of Promax Gold EA preset Smart News, which is number 3. Like the other two, everything is the same and only the numbers are different. The final profit for the past week of Promax preset number 3 is $44.06.
You can check Promax results on our website for yourself via the link in the description. Join our Promax community now and start making money. Thanks for watching. See you guys in next videos.